How to share your Shein cart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein on your device and click on Cart at the bottom. After you click on Cart, beside your product, you will find heart shape. Click on the heart shape and add all the cart's product you want to share. After you have added, press on Yes. Do the same thing with the other products as well. After you've done that, click on the heart shape option at the top right corner of your screen, which will open your wish list. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Boards at the top. After you've clicked on Boards, you'll find Create Board. Click on Create Board. Then add name and then press on Create Board at the bottom. After you have done that, select your items and press on Add to Board at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, as you can see, board has been created. Below it, you'll find arrow-like option. Click on it. You'll find different ways to share. You can click on copy link and share it through links or share it with friends using any apps. And this is how to share your Shein cart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.